Today, I am going to start a new series on how to attract your desired marriage. Since it's not a small topic, it's a topic that won't be covered in one video. I thought to create a whole series about it. And yeah, so today is the first video on that. And in this video, I will share all the basics of attraction or basics of how to attract your desired marriage. Okay, so before starting the video, I want to share with you guys that I'm pledged to help at least 1 lakh people by the end of this year. So please help me to reach out these people. Please share this video whomever you think this might be helpful for, and please share your thoughts in the comment section below. I love interacting with all of you guys, and thank you so much for giving me so much love for my previous video. So without further ado, let's start with today's video. Okay, so when you think about marriage, what first thought comes in your mind? Okay, so what you have to do here is to create a list of thoughts and beliefs you have related to marriage. A lot of people struggle to, attract their marriage, desired marriage, but one of the basic they lack is their belief and thought regarding to the marriage. Might be growing up, you have seen a lot of abusing in the married life. Maybe growing up, you have seen a lot of people, lot of examples around you that ends in a bad marriage or is in the people are in a bad marriage. So somewhere in subconscious level, you create a thoughts, you believe certain thoughts, certain belief related to the marriage. So it's very important to analyze those thoughts. What is your thought and belief related to a marriage? For example, there are a lot of things people witness growing up, like abusing in a marriage, domestic violence, disrespectful, ignorance, a lot of sacrifice in a marriage, where if you are a woman, you think we are women, we have to sacrifice certain things, we have to sacrifice career, we have to sacrifice certain things in order to have a good marriage. So if you have this belief, just jot it down and analyze why you think this is it. Okay, these are the very core reasons why we are not attracting our desired marriage, because we are carrying all this belief in our mind, and we hope that if we are visualizing a happy marriage, happy relationship, will it will work out. It won't work out, because all this traumas, all this negativity is still inside you. So first we have to do is to clear all this negativity. Okay, when you think if like men are always abusive towards women, they don't care, they don't care for their women, they are not emotionally available. All these are limiting beliefs that is stopping you to get that desired partner of yours. Okay, so jot down everything, and what you have to do now, you have to sit in a calm. You have to probably sit on the ground, don't sit on a sofa or chair if you can. If you can't, then please sit on the sofa. What we have to do, we have to ground ourselves to the reality. Okay, whatever we see is in around our surrounding is a part of your subconscious mind. So if you have all this belief, all this trauma growing up, all this past breakups, past backstabbing, whatever you have experienced in your life, so what you have to do is to sit yourself, jot down all this negative thoughts and beliefs you have, and sit with it and imagine all that scenario, visualize all that happening again, and start chanting hoponopono to yourself. Okay, for example, I'm doing for myself. I'm sorry, Divya, that you have gone through all this thing. Please forgive me that I have carried all this throughout this year. Thank you so much for being so strong, and I love you for being who you are. By repeating this, all these incident scenarios, you're clearing all your negative thoughts related to the marriage, all your negative belief related to your marriage. Okay, This is the best and the basic foundation that you're laying for in order to attract your desired marriage. If you do this one simple exercise, it will clear out everything, and you will see the changes in yourself and your surrounding as well. So sit with yourself, jot down all the thoughts, jot down every belief that you have related to a relationship, related to a marriage, related to a love marriage, related to arranged marriage, etc. Just sit with it and analyze why you have all these things, or analyze why you have all these beliefs related to this. Do this one simple exercise. Let me know if you have any doubts, any um, clarification you need related to this in the comment section. And in next video we will discuss uh, how to uh, make changes in yourself, how to create a routine in order to raise your frequency to that marriage wala, raise your frequency to the love, and that will help you to actually attract a love in your life. So stay tuned for that, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time, and please share this video with the people if you think it's helpful. And see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.